Okay, so this is our practice page. We're going to be doing the bottom 4 on the front and the bottom 4 on the back. You're going to get 10 minutes to work on these. So the video is going to be paused for 10 minutes, and then in 10 minutes you're going to press play again to go over them to see how you did. If you did anything that needs to be corrected, make sure you're correcting them. So you can go ahead and pause the video, then restart it when it's been 10 minutes. Okay, let's see how you guys did. We're on the bottom 4 questions. So we have 4/5 of means multiplication and 5/1. When we write this and do this problem, we'll notice that we have 5s on either side. We're going to cross those out and make them 1s. And we get 4/1, which is just 4. Okay, this next one, this is a whole number, so 7/1 times 5/10. We cannot do anything cross-canceling, so we're going to multiply straight across. 7 times 5 is 35. 1 times 10 is 10. This is an improper fraction, so we're going to divide. 10 goes into 35 3 times. That is 30. We get 5. So 3 5/10. But if we look at 5/10, we can simplify that by 5, and we get 3 1/2. Make sure if you need to pause this at any time or go back to rewatch it, just ask. 2/12 of is multiplication, and then 9/1. 3 can go into 9 3 times, and 3 can go into 12 4 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 1 is 4. Improper fraction, so we're going to divide it. 4 goes into 6 once. So I get 1 2/4. If I look at that 2/4, I can divide by 2, and I get 1 1/2. And our last one right over here on this side, I have a 1/2 times 9/1. We can't do anything cross-canceling, so 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2. That is an improper fraction, so we're going to divide to get a mixed number. 2 goes into 9 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So our whole number is 4. Our numerator is 1, and our denominator is 2. Okay, let's look to see how you did on the back. We have to change 1 4/6 into an improper fraction. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So 10/6 times 1/8. 2 goes into 8 twice. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Now we're going to multiply across. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 2 is 12. There's nothing we can do with that, so that's our answer. Okay. 3 times 6 is 36 plus 6. 42/12 times 7/12. 6 can go into both of these. 6 times 7 is 42, and 6 times 2 is 12. We're going to multiply these together. 7 times 7 is 49. 12 times 2 is 24. It's an improper fraction, so we're going to divide it. It goes in there twice because that is 48. We get a 1, so 2 1/24. Okay, down here, 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16, so 16/5, times 4/9. We can't do anything. On the bottom, 5 times 9 is 45. And some of you will probably, for 16 times 4, have to go over to the side. And we get 64. That is improper, so we're going to divide. It goes in there once. We're borrowing 9 and a 1, so 1 19/45. And our last one, we're going to change 2 1/2 into an improper fraction. So we're going to multiply then add. So 4 5/2. times 1/4. We look diagonally, nothing can be done. So 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 4 is 8. And we can't do anything with that one. So that's our answer. Now, our assignment is going to be passed out. It's going to look like this. If I can get it all the way in the screen. So you have 12 questions set up kind of like our homework. We're going to do fraction times whole number, fraction times fraction, mixed number times fraction, and then mixed number times mixed number. You have 9 questions. If you do not get it finished in class, it is homework. You can work with the people in your group of 3. If you're getting too loud, that may not be the case. When you're done, it does go into your binder so we can grade it the next day.